AuditHub in what sense?
So AuditHub is a security platform that provides automated security tools in order to detect issues in smart contracts and ZK circuits.
Why did Veridise, as a long-time audit firm, decide to release a blockchain security platform now?
So we decided to release a security platform because we found a lot of people were, getting audits, but that only would evaluate the security at a single point in time. And so that meant that we were seeing a lot of cases where, people would get to the auditing phase, there would be substantial issues, and then it would require quite a while to fix it, which could cause delays, or them to ship with features that were not included, which they had intended to. And so these unexpected delays were causing issues for our clients. And internally, we've been using security tools to help us provide better security guarantees and higher quality audits for years. So we thought that it would be a good idea to release them for anyone to use to provide a higher degree of assurance even before you get to an audit.
Yeah. Maybe security tools are powerful but complex. How did Veridise ensure AuditHub remains developer-friendly without compromising on advanced detection capabilities?
So basically the way that AuditHub provides advanced detection facilities is by using tools from a particular area of computer science called formal methods. So basically, we create tools that is able to reason very formally about the software that someone has written. This allows us to provide security guarantees so that we can say things like, if a bug is not found, then it doesn't exist, or if a bug is found, then it's definitely there, and this is what that bug is.
Yeah. Web3 teams often operate with tight deadlines. How does AuditHub help them balance speed of deployment with rigorous security standards?
So basically what AuditHub allows you to do is it allows you to consider security throughout your development process. And so that means that while you are working on a particular part of the code, you can integrate AuditHub and use it to find bugs by simply integrating it into your CI/CD. So whenever you push changes to your code base, those can be uploaded to AuditHub, and AuditHub can find issues in that code base. And this includes both common vulnerabilities and vulnerabilities that are tailored to your project.
What does security and commit actually look like for a developer opening a PR?
So essentially what that looks like for the developer is when they open a PR, then that code is sent to AuditHub. AuditHub will perform any security-related processes that the user has defined, which include common vulnerability scans as well as scans custom to their project. And then if bugs are found, they're reported directly back to the developer inside of GitHub. And so that means that they don't need to interact with AuditHub if they don't want to. It doesn't change their their development process at all. Basically, it's just another way to get assurance, or a way to provide stronger assurances as you start committing code into your project.
Yeah. Could you please share what type of tools are integrated in AuditHub?
Yeah, AuditHub has a number of tools. So basically, it has both tools to find vulnerabilities in DeFi projects as well as ZK projects. So on the DeFi side, we have a static analyzer called Vanguard that can find common vulnerabilities in DeFi projects, and a fuzzer that can also identify invariant violations in projects. On the ZK side, we have a static analyzer, which again can find common vulnerabilities, and a formal verifier, which will verify whether or not a particular circuit is deterministic. In addition to that, almost all of the tools can be tailored to the project itself by providing them with some additional input describing the intended behavior of the project.
Yeah, and the last question. Looking ahead, how does Veridise envision AuditHub shaping the broader culture of security in the web ecosystem and influencing the adoption of best practices?
So essentially, we want to make sure that people are thinking about security throughout the development process. We can see that security is critical in this domain, and that any security-related flaws can have significant impacts. So with AuditHub, we're trying to drive developers to think about security as early as possible and to adopt stronger security guarantees, because unlike audits, using tools will provide you with security guarantees. And so the whole point of AuditHub is to make sure people are considering security at every step, to ensure that developers are able to develop securely and ship in time, and to ensure that what they ship has stronger security than they would if they didn't use AuditHub.